Welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we have in our kitchen Gabriella and Daniela, who are going to be making some fudgcicles with our invincible powder. So I'm going to let them take over. Go ahead, girls.
So the first thing you do is you pour some milk.
Then you're going to grab a spoonful of Invincible by LYNQ.
Then we're going to close the lid. We're going to
Shake, shake, shake.
So these are popsicle molds from
Queasy Pro.
Basically, you're just going to open the lid and you're just going to pour it in.
So right now we're gonna put these popsicles in the freezer.
And then we'll come back to you guys later.
Hey,
We're back. We're going to be trying the LYNQ popsicles that we freeze.
Now we're gonna take them off.
Yeah.
Ooh. They look really good. And they taste really good.
That's so good. These are out of this world. They're amazing. They're just like chocolate.
I really want the bloopers.
Welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making...
It's fake.
Okay guys, so I'm going to start and then I'm going to leave it to you guys, okay?
Your cocoa.
Okay.
I think your motion.
Yeah, you know what? I think I need to turn that a little bit.
Spine.
Okay guys, it's far from famous, but good girls.
There's a guy who's like Caribbean.
Okay, so